Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P1108 printer driver in a Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. First of all, just go to the any web browser. Here just type HP LaserJet P1108 printer driver, hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com. It is an official website of HP printer. Open that link. Okay, this is an official website. Open that, and here is our HP printer official website. But these drivers are not supporting Windows 11, so this website redirect you to the Windows 10 operating system or drivers. Here is the Windows 10, and here is our drivers. It is redirect to Windows 10, and Windows 10 drivers 110% work with the Windows 11 operating system. Don't worry about that. Just go to the here, and here is our download button. Just click at here. It's redirect to the next page, and our download is started. It takes few minutes depending on the speed of your internet. So wait for a few seconds, and your download is completed in few seconds. Now our download is completed. Just click on show all. Here we find show in a folder. Just click on the show in a folder. Minimize the website. Drag this setup file to desktop. Okay. Now close it. Now this setup file actually a zip file. So we are going to extract this file. Just right click on it. Show more options. Here we find extract file. Just click on extract file. Just click on OK. Now it is extracting your files. So wait for a few seconds. It's extract in few seconds. Now here is our folder. Double click on it, and here is our drivers and setup file. Now we are going to install our printer. Okay, we are going to install it manually by the simplest way. First of all, just go to the start and just type control panel. Just click on the control panel. Okay, here just find devices and printers. Just find devices and printers. At the top we find add a printer. Just click on the add a printer option. Minimize this. Here we find the printer that I want isn't listed. Just click on that. Just click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Just click at that or select that. Just click on the next. The IMP part is here. The IMP part is port. Just select any port USB 001, 002, 003, any USB port, or just select .4 001 HP printer device. If you find HP device printer, then select that. If you not find HP device printer, then select the USB 001, 002, any USB port. Okay, select the USB port. Next, here just go to the hyper disk, browse, and just go to the desktop. Our drivers are saved in the desktop, so just go to desktop. Just go to our drivers, and here is our drivers. Just select any .inf file. Just select any Atron, HP1100, or this file. Just select any file. Just click on the open, click on the OK. Now here is our all drivers. Okay, all printer drivers. We find HP P1108. I want to install these drivers. Okay, P1108. Okay, now just click on the next. Click on the yes. If you want to test page, then click on the printer test page. I want to finish, so I click on the finish. Now I just check my printer is installed or not. Just go to the devices and printers once again. Here we find HP LaserJet Professional P1108 printer. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install HP LaserJet P1108 printer on Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.